What's up, guys? Happy Monday. Welcome to the Fomo Factory. Today I would like to talk about the crypto portfolio giveaway challenge thing again. I'm going to give away a full crypto portfolio. I'm going to buy heavily at the lowest, hopefully, in the bear market. And once Bitcoin hits $100,000, we're going to take a look which one of these four portfolios is worth most. And that portfolio is going to be given away to you. And I would like to set my buy targets in this video. So we have a portfolio with coins called by Alex Becker, BitBoy, Crypto Banter, and you guys made a portfolio as well. So we have four portfolios, 10 coins per portfolio, and I'm gonna, invest around $2,000-$3,000 per portfolio. Is it time to dollar cost already? With most altcoins, probably not. A lot of altcoins, they can make you 20x's right now, definitely. But a lot of altcoins could go down so hard in the meantime that we can actually make 50 or 100x's out of this. And then a $100,000 portfolio giveaway is actually doable. We're gonna buy this at the right time. So let's start with Alex Becker, his portfolio. By the way, if you have not subscribed to the channel and turned on the bell notifications, please do so. 5,900 subscribers, 5,900. Whatever. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys so much. Let's start with Alex Becker, his portfolio. And Alex Becker's portfolio is looking like this. We have Vulcan Forged, AdShares, SuperVerse, Kusama, Altora, Seedify, DeRace, Gala, and Ultra. I haven't bought yet because I probably won't buy them because the tokenomics are not that good. Although these are probably the best projects together with Seedify, in my opinion, in this complete list. Tokenomics just suck, right? But we already got some, right? Now, this shows, by the way, what I did, that buying in a bear market is not a good idea. I'm down 40% on this portfolio so far. Luckily for me, I haven't bought a lot. What if I went all in by then? That would have sucked, right? Now I can buy 40% more tokens for the same money. So I kind of like the opportunities that the bear market is giving us. So I will set my buy targets in this video for these coins right here. Next video I will do BitBoy's portfolio, the community portfolio, Crypto Banter's portfolio, and all that. But we can buy, for example, Vulcan Forge right now for $270, right? Will it go back to $30? Probably. But what if we can buy it for $150? Right? Then we do a 20x on it, another 10x. Well, these kind of things is what you want to be careful with, right? Very shortly, do I really think that altcoins are going to go down that much more? Yes, I think so. Because it's very simple. Bitcoin, it's doing its thing right now. At the moment of recording, we have finally a little green candle again while the Bitcoin dominance is going down. So mostly altcoins having a little, boost right now. Especially Solana is doing great. A lot of things are doing good. But overall, when I look at the Bitcoin dominance, what do I see? What do I see is this, the Bitcoin dominance going up here again. That means that altcoins will bleed a lot against Bitcoin, right? So I'm stacking up on Bitcoin and then I'm going to buy these altcoins as well. Let's look at the charts right now. So here's Alex Becker, his list. Is everything in here? Because I want to know that. Let me take a look. Yeah, only AdShares isn't, I think, because not everything is listed on CoinMarketCap yet. Let's start with Vulcan Forge. Look, for Vulcan Forge dollars, and this is also, why do I make this and why do I not keep this for myself? Well, I think this is good for you to know as well, because you in crypto, you have your own portfolio, I guess. And I think it's good for you to know how people set their orders, right? How they make their, set their targets, how they, choose their levels to buy from, right? Because when I look at Vulcan Forged, I see one thing that's very bullish, right? When I look at Vulcan Forged, it's not making lower lows, right? Since June, it's basically bottom, bottom, bottom. It's a triple bottom when it comes to that. It's a very bullish indicator. So Vulcan Forge is actually a strong coin right here. So would it be decent to already buy some Vulcan Forged? Yes, maybe. Maybe it will actually be. So let me take a look. Let me open up an Excel sheet right here. And so if some coins, I will, if I think it might be a good time to buy, I will write it down and I will do some more research to that. But this is mainly about the targets, right? Because I just showed you the Bitcoin dominance. It has to go up, right? Then altcoins will bleed against Bitcoin. So not necessarily this chart goes down, but the Bitcoin chart goes down in that case. But what if Bitcoin is not going up by then? What if Bitcoin is just, you know, going sideways or down? Then the dollar's value, the dollar value of this goes down. Then the first target is here at 260. The next target is here at 190, give or take, 30% lower. And the next target below that is 40% lower. So dollar value, could it get 40% lower? Could it get to 160? It's even lower than this, by the way. It's around here. 150. Definitely possible. If we take a look at Bitcoin, this is the most important thing. So Falcon forged Bitcoin because this chart will go down. Nothing is sure in crypto, I know, but I am pretty convinced it will. Although Falcon Forge is one of the stronger coins, was making higher highs and higher lows, right? Now the trend has changed, however. Keep that in mind. So what are the levels for Falcon Forged? The first big level for Falcon Forged is around here, right? Let me make that a decent line. Around this level. The level below that, yeah, might be here. Not a lot of support though. And then the next level is around here. So for Falcon Forge, I'm looking at a downwards move of 16%, 35%, and 40%. Also, Bitcoin value 40%. I think Falcon Forge is one of the stronger ones, though. So these are the levels I'm looking out for. But this level right here is already a pretty strong level. Okay. Then we have ad shares. I did have a chart of that. Not looking so good. Well, on the other hand, it's quite strong when you compare it to others, but then again, it's fairly new still, right? So if we look at his portfolio and we look at ad shares, it's like this coin hasn't been out there. Oh, it has been out there for a long while. Well, in that case, let me take that back. In that case, what is AdShares doing? AdShares has a market cap of $43 million. Great. Fully diluted is basically $43 million as well. So that's fine. And it was rebranded. That's why. Okay. But it came from basically nothing. And it went all the way up to around $5, $6. And now it's back to $1. This is one of the coins that you can look at it at two ways, right? One, this thing has been super strong, super strong, because most coins are down 90+% from the all-time high. This thing is just went from $5, $6 to around 120. That's crazy strong, right? On the other hand, it has a lot of room to go down, and I don't see a big support level right here, to be completely honest. Why isn't it? It has no exchange listings. That's why it's not like listed on CoinMarketCap. With AdShares, I don't know. This is one coin that I won't necessarily set a price target. I would just wait for the bear market to be over and then buy it, because or this could go down fucking hard like crazy, or this is just one of the coins that stays super strong. There's nothing really in between, in my opinion. So I don't know. Let's take a look at the next one, SuperVerse. I believe that, look, this is an altcoin that has been bleeding like fucking crazy. This was absolutely insane how hard this thing is bleeding, right? Went all the way from, more than $2 to around 8 cents right now, right? And it's hard to measure because lower lows, lower highs all the time. It makes new lows every week, basically, right? So we have no history to go off. Yeah, we can use Fibonacci tools and all that, but I don't think a Fibonacci tool can predict this, to be completely honest. So also with this one, I'm just waiting because it's 8 cents, right? Could this be the bottom? Yes. Could it go to 1 cent? Yes, it's all possible because chart-wise, we have no idea, right? Now, I must say, that if I look at what he is doing, what Elio is doing with SuperVerse, and how crazy low cap it is getting by now, I feel like, man, this might be pretty interesting. This might be really pretty interesting. CoinMarketCap doesn't have the supply point, by the way. It's more around 400 million. But, you know, when it comes to market cap, it went from 600 million to around 23 million. So that's around 30 times actually from its all-time high, right? So in that case, I am very interested in buying this project, and I must tell myself, really, don't buy now, don't buy now, don't buy every fucking dip, you lose your money. But we get a chance with this one, like crazy. This is an altcoin that could do really, really, really well. On the other hand, you also don't want to miss out completely. So it's hard with this one, I tell you that. Also, keep track of the market. Keep track of the market, and if you do not have any of these coins yet, then maybe consider dollar costing a little bit. But I think SuperVerse, especially compared to Bitcoin, still making lower lows as well. You know, it was never, the last year, it was never a good time to buy. Why would it be now, right? So I would definitely wait a little bit. But the moves are insane because, look, from here to here, this little rebound, this little relief, was a 2x, right? So yes, you can buy at great levels, right? And stochastic RSI on the weekly is oversold. Could stay there for a while it goes down, but I don't know. Sometimes you just don't know. Sorry for that. Kusama has another one on this list. And that's an old line. Well, that didn't age well. Let's take a look at Kusama, because Kusama is a really good project, and price-wise, it is sitting like 30 times from its all-time high. How much could it go down though? Because it's sitting at its last support. If it breaks this, yeah, it could definitely go to around $9. Because that's really the first support that we have. The first like big support, right? Well, yeah, around there. Will this happen? I don't know, but I think we will see around $10 Kusama in this bear market. Why? Look at the Bitcoin value of this thing as well. Lower lows, lower highs, all the time. Still going down. It was never a good moment to buy, and the chart doesn't show us that it's now a good time to buy. And the first point where I would buy Kusama is here. And this is a move down of around 40%. The next move down would be in this area, I think. Yeah. From the point where we are right now, that's 65% down. So yeah, it has a long way down to go, and it's just like altcoins, please keep in mind, they barely do this. Barely. It will happen sometimes, but they barely do this. The crypto market just doesn't do this. Go down, go up, right? Because that's not a phase that crypto has. Crypto has multiple phases. This is the downward trend, this is the upward trend, right? But where's the accumulation phase, right? What usually happens is down, accumulation, up, right? So don't feel rushed to buy this. We will get this accumulation phase, right? And if we get it here, buy there. If we get it here, buy here. But if you buy it in its downward trend and it goes down more, and then you get it accumulation phase, you're throwing your money away, right? So I'm gonna wait for the accumulation phases on a lot of these coins. So for when I don't know, because the chart says a lot, but not everything, let's wait for the accumulation phase. Altora, same story, making lower lows. A lot of coins making lower lows, right? Some are just not, like this thing is like being down only. This was been really terrible. And this is a really, really, really high risk, high reward play. Altora could 100x. Altora could die. That's it. That's all I know about what Altora could do. Let me show you Altora right here. Look, tokenomics are not that bad. Tokenomics are definitely not that bad. But, you know, the price, it came from, you know, 46 cents to less than a cent, right? It's down 98% from its all-time high. If we look at the market cap, very interesting, $260 market cap. Now sitting at a $5 million market cap. These are kind of generational buying opportunities right there, but it's just not going sideways yet. It looked here that it was going sideways, but then again, bam, no, it didn't. So too bad. And but it's not all about the tokenomics. You want to, you know, be in their Telegram group as well. For example, look like, is it dead? Is it not dead? I don't know. Okay, now I know. People are talking a lot in this group, right? So people are not giving up. Screenshot from Phantasma, same shit, third biggest wallet. Probably be selling some shit. I don't know. But, you know, people are still talking in here. People still talking in here. So this project is not dead. You can also just go to the Twitter. It's a very simple way to verify some stuff, right? Go to the Twitter. Look by, are they followed by some people? Well, they are followed by some people that I know, right? And are they still tweeting, right? Yeah, they're still tweeting. They're still out there, right? So they are definitely not dead. But it's also not going sideways. So let's wait for that. And let's get 100x out of it. It's a good opportunity. The only bad thing about it is if you were already in it, like me. Seedify. Seedify not making lower lows for now, but not doing that good as well, right? If we put it on lock, you can see it better, by the way. Yeah. So Seedify broke its downtrend. I thought like maybe we could get a double bottom. Clearly not a double bottom. It found support right here. Is this a lot? No. If the market shows something bad, then Seedify will go linear recta to around 60 cents. That's what I will buy. Definitely. Yeah, but to be completely honest, buying right here is not that bad of an idea as well. Because it's oversold for a long time already. This community is super strong. It has made its lower low and it's bouncing off a existing level. So I would buy here a little bit. I would buy around 58 cents. Yeah. And here, man, 37. My God. Okay, S-Funds. I will buy some. DeRace. There's not a lot of information on that. All right. DeRace. What is DeRace showing? DeRace showing some oversold territory going back up, right? So it looks like it might want to go up again. And yeah, but there's no information on this. This is their resistance around this area. If it goes down, then around this level, there's not much more than that. Let me take a look. Is there anything more? Gate maybe? Gate usually has more information. Yeah, all right. So Gate, oh shit. Yeah, if you put it in perspective, we are basically pretty low right now. Look, and this is cool. Let me show you this. You see the stochastic RSI, right? We are doing this right now. Doing this. What happened when we did that before? We did this right here. We did a, well, 2x almost. We did it right here. 30%. We did it right here. Under the 40%. We did it right here. Yeah, a little bit. We didn't went overbought. We did it right. What's a good example? Here, this point. This right here. 50%. What have we seen for now? We now have seen just 5%. Will we get anywhere? You know, I think DeRace is like for investment, I don't know, but for a quick trade, it might be pretty interesting. To be honest, I'm gonna buy some DeRace. Don't take this as financial advice. I am buying some DeRace, but I could be wrong. Gala, you know, chart can show me whatever it wants, right? But, you know, also this, by the way, you know, this is what happens when the stochastic RSI resets, right? What did we see from Gala? 12% pump already. And that's cool, but as an investment, still, tokenomics on Gala, they just suck. It broke every trend line of mine, right? And we have the last support, like we broke that. So I don't know where Gala could head. I don't know. It's just not looking good. Gala Bitcoin, same story. Broke at last support. Basically, we have this little support right here. That's left. Right? This is left. Around here. And that's, you know, kind of where we bounced. But like I said, the market is doing pretty fine right now. Well, pretty, you know, it's not bad. And that's why Gala and altcoins are responding right now. But as soon as the market goes down again, then and Gala breaks this, then I don't know where we could go, man. To be honest, I have no idea. Gala could go down a lot. Let me check out if I can make something out of this. Let me not put in the fake outs. Well, yeah, you know, give or take. But Gala doesn't look good. It really has to hold this level and break out to the upside. If it breaks out to the downside, yeah, we have a problem with Gala, a really big problem. And not like, because this could go down like really a lot. And to be honest, I don't see why it go break up out to the upside, you know, unless the market is really working in our favor. So we'll have to see. Should you buy Gala right now? Look, again, so far the market has shown us that it was a stupid idea and nothing has changed. The only thing, it's sitting at its last support right now. But yeah, then again, look, Gala has a lot of downside because it is still mid-high cap, right? $130 million market cap. It came from a 5 billion. So yeah, it's down. Like also market cap wise, it's down far, right? Not only in price, but it's down 50 actual X's, right? So it could go up, well, 40X from here, definitely. But it could also go down still a lot because I don't fucking like this, man. I don't like this. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe stack up on some Gala right now, but I feel like we're going to lose it in the meantime. But then again, that's like, if you believe, let me put it like this. If you believe in Gala, then buying right now should be no problem because you know that Gala, would it get back to its all-time high? Maybe. I think so. So that's a 40X from here. So what does it matter if your investment goes down 80% first, right? You will get there. But I just want to make the most out of it. But yeah, I will maybe buy some Gala. Maybe I will put it in Alex Becker's portfolio because he's talking about Gala a lot, you know. Gala, I would buy some for the longer term. Not as a quick trade though. Last one, Ultra, and then we wrap it up because it's taking too long. Ultra dollar. Okay, let me take a look at Ultra dollar first. Ultra, by the way, if you do not know why Ultra is here, look at what they do. Ultra is one of the best crypto gaming projects out there. So yeah, definitely one you don't want to miss out on. When it comes to support, yeah, it's right there. It's sitting on it. The next support level, if it breaks, is 22% down, and after that, 43% down. Dollar value, right? If it bounces right here, it could definitely go to around, I think it would have some trouble at around 22 cents, 25 cents. But it could have a decent bounce. Like that's a bounce from here of around 25, 35%. That's decent. That's really decent. If I look at Ultra Bitcoin, yeah, it has a lot of room to go down, to be completely honest, right? It's sitting at really tight support right now. Like here, basically. If it breaks, this chart is all over the place, so this is kind of hard to see. Yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, I think. This is just noise. So if it breaks, Ultra could go down another 50%. I think we get such fucking perfect buying opportunities. Guys, we're gonna be so rich. We're gonna be so rich. We're gonna be so rich. Like, you don't need $10,000 right now to get rich. $1,000, like, it's also a lot, but it's enough to get rich. And what's rich? Well, that depends on what you think. But I think, you know, a couple of $100Ks could be considered rich if you just have $1,000. Because, for example, Ultra as well, right? Man, I mean, it went from $2.50. You know, now let's take Gala as an example. What if Gala goes back to its all-time high, which is possible because it's a good project? It's now a cent, right? So that's a 60x, right? But what if Gala goes down? I don't know. Here first on the Bitcoin pair, so you buy Gala for you buy twice as much Gala with your Bitcoin, right? So let's say you put $500 in, right? You buy Gala, but you do not buy for $500. You buy for $1,000 worth of it, basically, right? And then you do that 60x. My math is not completely correct, but I hope you get my point. But that's insane. You can write your, well, damn. Okay, so these are my buying points. I will go stack up on some Vulcan Forge, Seedify, DeRace, and Gala off cam. Otherwise, it really takes too long. For the rest, you know my buying targets. If you're not sure about some, just type in the comments. I will respond to you. And I want to wrap it up right here. Guys, stay safe. Next video, I will do BitBoy's portfolio or Alex Becker or Crypto Bento or the community. I don't know. We'll see. Like the video, please. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.